Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to online classes and have a pleasant morning to all of you. Now, I, Ajay Kumar, your English teacher, is going to discuss the exercises of the chapter The Flower School, right? Do you remember who was the writer of this poem? Can you answer it to me in the comment box, comment section? I want you to answer who is the writer of this poem, right? And do you recall what are the briefs? Who is the writer? What it is, poem talking about? I believe you all know that the imagination has been perpetrated to the extent of reality, right? The boy who compares the things, the flowers, like with the students who used to go to school. In the same way, the boy is also talking about the flower. They used to go to school, they used to study, they used to have their vacation, they used to spend their, uh, vacation time, holidays, and while doing so, they are just rumbling, blooming, they are just spreading all the happiness everywhere, right? Now today we are going to go through the exercises, right? So the first thing is that poem appreciation. Okay, so what is this poem appreciation? Can you tell me what is this poem appreciation? It is that you have to appreciate the poem, how the poet has written, right? So write the lines from the poem that match the images, right? We can see here the clouds, right? So you have to choose from the poem itself that which line is appropriate with this image. Okay, I won't give you any answer here. I think you should do it by your own. You can choose it. Now, this is image A and this is image B. You can see here, and you have to write down the image appreciation, poem appreciation. Okay, which line suits? We can go through. I think we should go through. We should go back and we should check out whether which line. I can give you some clue. I mean, I can't tell you the complete answer, but well, let me help you with the clue, right? So when the rain comes, they have their holidays. Branches clash together and the fog. So these are the things you should read, and you should think like which image is, like matching with which line. Okay, so you have to write down the line. Now you see here the tree. Well, I can give you the clue like no. Okay, just hold on 1 second. Branches clash together in the forest, and the leaves rustle in the wild wind. The thunder clouds clap their giant hands, and the flower children rush out in dresses of pink and yellow and white. So I can give you the clue only. You have to write your answer, your own answer, by choosing not your own answer but from the poem, right? Now the next question is saying that answer the following by selecting the most suitable option. Okay, so let us read. The wind comes marching. Here the wind is given a human quality, right? We all do march in I think on 15th August and 26th January, right? Might have attended any marching exercise. So the wind comes marching, no, because Marching is generally used with the human quality, right? But here wind is not human. So what is the figure of speech called here? Okay, is it called simile, metaphor, personification, alliteration? Well, you should look for this. You should answer this. These all things. This comment. You should answer this in the comment box. I'm waiting for your answer. Now the next question is that what do the flowers do in their holidays? Come on, guys. I'm waiting for your answer. You can write down your answer in the comment box while watching the video. I'm waiting for your answer. I'll just reply back. The first option is they blossom, they wither away, they remain under the cover of the earth, they become fragrant. Now the third question is that how do the flowers show their keenness to reach heaven? Options: they make a rustling sound, they rush out of the earth, they wear colored cloths, they fade away. So I think you know the answer, huh? I'm waiting. You can write down the answer in the comment section, comment box. I'm waiting for that. Now the third question is that this poem has many visuals and sound images. Complete the table with examples from the poem. The first one has been done for you. Like visual, what is the visual? The dance upon the grass in wild glee that we all can see, right? Dancing upon the grass in wild glee, that is a visual image. Now what is the sound image? Leaves rustle in the wind, wild wind. So this is sound image. Now you have to look for the another visual images. I can give you some clue here also. Let me see if I can help you. So when the storm clouds rumble, what type of image is this? I think it is sound image, right? So you can write down this. Storm clouds rumble. Okay. Now showers come down. This is showers come down. It is visual image. Okay. So this is how you have to complete it. You can write down the answer in the comment box also, comment section also. And another part is like art corner. This is art corner. I think you have been trained better by Santosh sir, and you will be able to do this task as well. Okay. So now in this you have to make a decorative photo string. Like you can see here. Just wait, hold on 1 second. How Swami will be away. Making a decorative string. You can see Swami will always remember the night he slept all alone for the first time. Martha will never forget the day she was awarded the scholarship jacket. This is a story which I have. Scholarship jacket, we have just skipped it. She may even keep a photograph of herself in the jacket for years to come. But just like these characters, all of us make a lot of memories during our school years. So let us put these memories together in a photo string. So here the step is also given. What you have to do is like you see the string, right? You can take one string like आयरन स्ट्रिंग यू कैन टेक, और जो वो जिसमें हम कर्टन डाल के उसको टांगते हैं विंडोज़ के ऊपर, उस स्ट्रिंग को भी ले सकते हैं. और यू कैन मेक योर हैंडमेड ऑफ रोप्स का भी स्ट्रिंग बना सकते हैं. नाउ द स्टेप्स आर लाइक कलेक्ट सम ऑफ योर फेवरेट फोटोग्राफ्स फ्रॉम योर चाइल्डहुड, include pictures of your family, friends, etc. So this is the first step. Now what is the second, another step, that is under each photo write your favorite memory of that photo or the person in it. If you cannot find enough printed photographs, जब आपको printed photographs जो है नहीं मिलते हैं, then you can draw pictures. If you are good at making drawing, तो आप पिक्चर भी बना सकते हैं. ओके. Alternatively, you can use squares pieces of card paper. जैसे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कार्ड पेपर है, स्क्वायर पीसेज बनाया हुआ है ना, स्क्वायर, तो ऐसे आप बना सकते हो। डेकोरेट देम एंड राइट योर फेवरेट चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज, उसको डेकोरेट भी कर सकते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू राइट डाउन 1 और 2 लाइन्स उस चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज से जुड़े हुए, उस फोटो में जो भी पिक्चर होगा उससे जुड़ा हुआ। द थर्ड स्टेप इज टेक अ पीस ऑफ स्ट्रिंग और यार्न, कपड़े का स्ट्रिंग लीजिए या फिर कुछ ऐसे। इट शुड बी एटलीस्ट 3 फीट लॉन्ग, 3 फीट लंबा होना चाहिए। ले इट आउट ऑन अ फ्लैट सरफेस, एक मतलब जो नीचे सरफेस है, फ्लैट सरफेस, उस पर बिछा दीजिए, ठीक है, उसको सीधा रख दीजिए। नाउ कीप योर फोटोज़ और कार्ड्स ऑन दैट स्ट्रिंग एट इक्वल डिस्टेंस, देखिए इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे रखा हुआ है, राइट, उसी तरीके से रखना है। सिक्योर देम द स्ट्रिंग यूजिंग पेपर क्लिप, फिर उसको जो है पेपर, जैसे हम लोग कपड़ा व्हेन वी आर पुटिंग आवर क्लॉथ्स टू यू नो सूखने के लिए कपड़ा डालते हैं छत पे, तो स्ट्रिंग में कैसे पेपर क्लिप लगाते हैं, क्लॉथ क्लिप लगाते हैं, तो यहाँ पेपर क्लिप लगाना होगा या फिर कुछ ऐसा जिससे आप उसको पेस्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ यू कैन डेकोरेट योर स्ट्रिंग बाय एडिंग अदर थिंग्स लाइक origami flowers, stars or fairy light, तो ये सब लगा के आप एंड हैंग द स्ट्रिंग इन योर रूम, और इसको अपने रूम में आपको हैंग आउट करना है, हैंग कर देना, टांग देना, एंड देन क्लिक अ पिक्चर एंड सेंड इन द ग्रुप। सो आई थिंक इट वाज ऑल हैविंग अ वेरी फन a way of study. You have studied it very बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा आपको ये पढ़ के, और ये सारे जो मेथड्स हैं और ये जो आर्ट वर्क आपको मिला, आई थिंक दिस वन इज़ द फैबुलस वन टू लर्न मोर along with your study. Okay, so dear student, now we have completed, we have gone through the exercises also, and if you are having any question, you may ask me in the comment box. I'll reply your question very soon. Now we'll meet in another class. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.